values into the table you just created, you'll have to type in insert into table name, hospital in our case, and then put variable names within the braces. Our variables are hospital underscore ID, hospital underscore name, hospital underscore city, number of employees, and average number of patients, and then you'll type in values and put the values within the braces as well. Let's say hospital ID is 1, hospital name is XYZ, and then for string variables you'll have to put the variable value within the inverted commas. Same thing for hospital city, which is Dulles in our case. Number of employees, let's put 100, and the number of patients, let's put 800. Close this with a semicolon, highlight this, and then run this. Here you can see it has successfully ran. And also to check, what you can do is type in select. Let's select everything from the table, so it's going to be asterisks. From our database name is first underscore database, and then dot table name, which is hospital. Close this with semicolon, highlight this, and run this again. And you can see the variable values that you put are 1, XYZ, Dulles, 100, 800. If you like my video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you.